What's up, members? If you are a member, you're gaining access to this video in advance, so make sure you sign up for that membership on YouTube. Watt members already get this in real time. We have been talking about gold. This has been a move called out by Jay Young. I made over $100 on this. This is nice. Continuing to hold an even longer position because we are testing on gold right now. Ticker symbol GLD, $400 level right here. Support found twice, turned into resistance. Now GLD is retesting it right here. So we are watching this level heavy. We just broke through that $400 level. This is a bear flag that just formed, which is absolutely beautiful. This is what I made the $100 on. I just did his call out in the WAP. So I decided to buy, join the team. They have options on this. They have 420 call options on these guys. So that was a nice play right there. Watching gold. We're going to continue to go into this tomorrow as well with a slight pullback back to about 399. I'm going to re-enter and go back in this position. Looking at QQQ, it's telling a little bit of a different story. We are trying to break out here on the Qs around this $728 level, but it has resistance right now. So far it's rejecting. Keep in mind we have some major earnings coming with NVIDIA coming up. But this is 4 times rejection here. So we need to watch, be careful with QQQ and see where this is going. When I look at this, I want to see that we get this break tomorrow, retest, push higher, or we get the break and then rejection. So those are 2 levels that I'm watching when it comes to GLD and Qs. Looking at the SPY, this is way different. It's above highs, and now we're going to continue higher. If we can break 776, just keep going, keep buying higher as we go. Another stock that everybody's been looking at here is Google. Google stock is pulling back and is offering an opportunity. If we can get a pullback to $350, I'm looking for that long position right here. Google stock is something that I had shares at 150. I took gains at 400. But I'm still not afraid to trade this and try to make daily gains on this because it does offer very good ROI opportunity. So definitely pay attention to that. Keep that on your radar. We've been also looking at BBAI. If BBAI can break above $3.35, that is the entry for me to go long. I'm waiting for this resistance that was support that's rejecting right here. I want to see that breaks. When I look here at this chart, it is clear as day. Go on the 1 month. You can see. Let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. You can see right here at $3.30 rejecting. Let's see it push higher, and then that will be the move. Another thing that we've been watching is Trade Desk. Year to date, this has been down so much money right now. It's down over 90% when you look at this chart, all the way from $141 down to $13. This is something that I'm just going to start accumulating shares, thinking about a position here. I'm hoping we go a little lower, but it's nothing wrong with dollar cost averaging now if I'm not going to go too heavy because it is sold off 90%. It's being revalued as growth into a value stock, something to pay attention to. When you're looking at Oracle stock, we've been calling this out since 115 to 120. Manning was talking about this in the WAP. We broke above this 135. Now, is there room here or are we going to reject? So I'm watching this 150 for puts. No big deal. Looking at SpaceX, we were looking at this 105. It blasted up, faked us out. Now we're looking like we're potential double topping here, but we're actually holding this level at 135. So as long as SpaceX can hold, this is a nice little bull flag that's forming. Consolidate, push higher, look for moves back to $150 on SpaceX. Also, following SMH, we bought them at 511. I just took profits. So I bought them at 511. And I took profits. So I was around here, took profits up here, 15-16% gains. The reason I took profits, why? Is because this is a V-shaped recovery. You can see it right here. Here's your V. And then we're starting to pull back. I want to see cup and handle back to 560 and then look for a move higher. We have NVIDIA earnings coming up on the 26th. SMH has 20% of its holdings in NVIDIA. So we need to pay attention and watch that level. We'll go over NVIDIA next. But that's that 560 level we are watching right there. I want to just show you NVIDIA because we have less than 2 weeks for earnings. It rejected this 225 level as expected. It ran up before earnings. This looks just like SMH at 188 up here, 18% move up higher. So just be cautious. If you're buying NVIDIA, just be cautious. I want to make sure that we at least get a retest here, hopefully back to at least 212. That was your previous rejections. As you can see, we broke out in terms of earnings is coming up. So is it going to start to roll over? We're going to have to pay attention on this and just kind of watch it and let it play out. But I'm not buying any shares of NVIDIA until we get closer to earnings. I want to see if we pull back a little bit more, or are we going to pull back deeper into the $212, $209 region, something that I will be paying attention to. One more stock that I've been watching that I just want you guys to pay attention to is Netflix. Netflix is approaching resistance here. It is starting to teeter up here, which is nice. You guys know I'm dollar cost averaging in the Robinhood portfolio. I've been showing you those posts. I bought more shares today, but I cannot ignore this $78 rejection area. I want to see if we get that tomorrow or this week. Watch Netflix to see, are we going to get that rejection right into $78 per share? It is something you need to pay attention to. I would just keep it on your radar. Still bullish, but it's got to get above 78. If it gets above 78, then I think we can start making moves, and that would be true momentum to the bullish side. If we can get a catalyst here and break above this and not just reject 78, we have plenty of wiggle room to go back all the way to $95 per share, so that is something I will be watching. Guys, that's the recap. When you're a member of my channel, I give you access. Even if it's just YouTube, you get to see what we're playing. And if you want to take it to the next level, join the WAP, join the community. I'll see you there.